Can you taste it? Does it taste funny? Does it taste funny? Want to try again? Hi. What are you doing? Silly boy. Are you watching your brother eat? Yeah? Somebody's being really sweet, Daddy. Aww. Are you watching your brother eat? Ugh. Yucky. He doesn't like it. You didn't like it either?
Yeah.
Was it gross? Nope. Yucky, yucky. Oh yeah, he tasted it. That's the main thing. He's done.
Wait.
I don't like it, Mommy. Hi. Ugh. Yucky. Yucky, yucky. Don't feed that to me. Yucky, yucky. Give me some cookies. Give me some Oreos. Don't give me that yucky stuff.